Sustain yung kumagana. 3,000.
Alam na, sinusumbungan namin kay Tony yan. Ganun yung
Ganito siya. Kaya mo 3,000, ipapabulldoze na? For what? Anong ipapalit ng ano?
Pera, wala. Poverty.
Challenge ko siguro is national park.
National park. Because
Kung
of national.
national park ko man din ito,
You have to protect this. Nakita mo naman, you see illegal logging, you see logging trucks, wala.
Magtanim kami ng kahon. Politics sa Darabang so mga ba yung city government saka yung
This is under the city government. This is under the city
So
government.
ng gobyerno, ayaw ng gobyerno yung barangay ka na.
naman. Kakasyap naman yung ano niya.
No, but
Pero
still,
dito, nagsusurvive kami kasi.
in spite of that, they're able to make a difference.
So wala silang nagawa kasi nakita nila yung
Yeah, for yung
Unity ng ng mga tao dito ba?
community.
Meron talagang papel ng Department of Agriculture sa...
Government
There's no
agencies.
such thing as... Ayun ba yun?
You know,
survivor kasi yung kapatagan.
noon pa.